Why do I think that our ancestors were deep thinkers, like really, really deep thinkers? I'll come across some things and I'll just be like, wow, how were these people able to come up with things like this? How were these people able to reason? And, they were able to come up with things like this because some things takes a whole lot of reasoning. How were they able to add 1 plus 1 and it became 2 and all of that? This is where I'm going today. Talking about Yoruba names for Àbíkú. You know, sometimes I wonder, how were they able, what were their thoughts? What were they thinking? What was the emotion? What were the thoughts behind those names for Àbíkú? How were they able to think deeply and come up with special names? And first thing first, who is Àbíkú or what is Àbíkú? Àbí, to born a child, to give birth to a child, and Kú, to die. And on the flip side, Àbíyè, the child that was born and that lived, that survived. To live, Ye, to live. But today, we want to focus on the Yoruba names for Àbíkú, a child who is born but dies at a young age and is believed to return repeatedly to the same mother to be born again. Just like recurring birth and death, the same child coming and going multiple times, coming back and going, multiple times. And once the child is coming and going like that, and they realize that, oh, this is Àbíkú, part of preventive and protective rituals family does is give that child special names. Sometimes they perform rituals, sometimes they will give that child mark on the face or body, sometimes they consult just doing everything possible to make sure that the child stay and not go back. Yoruba believe that names can influence one's destiny, but in this context of naming Àbíkú, of giving names to Àbíkú, sometimes the names looks like persuasion. Sometimes the name looks like negotiation. Maybe they are negotiating with the child. Don't go, please stay with us, and all of that. Sometimes it looks like affirmation, command, grief, sorrow. Sometimes deep parental love. The name shows the parents' sorrow, pain, grief, hope, exhaustion, frustration, anger, prayers, hope, and sometimes shame from what people will say and all of that. Sometimes ago, I was writing about this Yoruba names for Àbíkú for our Yoruba classes, and the very first time I started writing about it got to I was writing those names and their meanings. It got to a point I had to turn off my laptop and I actually cried because when I was writing the meaning, I was trying to see things from those people's perspective. I was trying to picture their emotions, their pains while bringing out those names. I was trying to picture what could have happened. What were they trying to communicate? The name for Àbíkú is just like a deep message from the parents to the child. From a place of love, deep parental love, something like, oh, I've been waiting to have this child and now, trying to say, oh, please wait, stay with us, don't go. The first day I actually cried. I was just like, what really, really brought out these names? So I had to continue my write-up the next day. I was just asking myself, what brought about these names? Like, how were they feeling? I wrote that Àbíkú names, they are not just ordinary names. Like, they look so special from other names. I think so. Because they carry the best meaning. I think so. Oda. Now, I have some Àbíkú names here, and let's talk about them and their meanings. Oda. Number one, let's talk about this particular one. Béèyí òkú, bí èyí òkú, bí èyí, just like bí eléyìí. If this particular one does not die. And I was like, oh, like what's that name? Beyoku, if this one does not die. Maybe from the pain of losing the previous one or the previous ones. So saying that Beyoku, if this one does not die, just like the other one, just like the other ones. If this particular one, this particular one does not die. This one. Could be like Beyoku, be able to take care of him or her, be able to pamper him or her, be able to have joy in food, be able to have our pride, our sorrow will be wiped off, and all of that. Now let's look at another one. I have here Duro Jaye. That sounds like a command, or like, can we say like a prayer? Sounds more like a command. Duro Jaye, wait, and enjoy life. Just like wait and chop life now, and all of that. That's just by the way, but Duro Jaye, wait and enjoy life. Don't go. Where are you going? Life is enjoyable. Life is sweet. That's just by the way, but the real meaning, Duro Jaye, wait and enjoy life. Don't go now. Wait now. Enjoy life now. Let's look at another one. I have another one here. Duro Simi, wait and bury me. Just like wait and be the one to bury me, not the other way around. I don't want to be the one to bury you, so please wait and be the one to bury me. Wait. Duro Simi. Duro, wait. To see, to bury me. So Duro Simi, wait and bury me. Duro Simi, don't go anywhere. You should be the one to bury me, not me. I shouldn't be the one to bury you as it should be. Duro Simi. Let's look at one or two more, and then we are done for today. Let's look at this. Kashimawo. Kiashimawo. Let us still wait and see. Kiashimawo. That looks like the hope is shaking. Like we are not sure. Let us wait and still see if this one will go like the other one or the other ones, or if this one will stay. Kashimawo, Kiashimawo. You're just trying to feel the emotions behind those names. How? Why? What? But they're thinking about bringing out these names. So amazing. Another one, Kokumo. He or she does not die anymore. Kokumo. He or she, this child does not die anymore. He's going nowhere again. Kokumo. He or she does not die anymore. Kokumo. Never again. Never again. This one will not die again. This one will stay. We have a whole lot of examples like that, and like that. For Àbíkú, but I just wonder. It's something that I ask myself: what were they thinking, bringing out these names? What brought about it? Was it sorrow? Was it pain? Was it, shame? Was it uncertainty? We are not sure if this one would stay or go. We are not sure if this one will survive. Is it a command that Duro, wait, don't go anywhere? Is it prayers? Is it prayers? Just thinking about. And in one of my videos, I said something. I said the authenticity and the unique history of our Yoruba names live with our parents or the elders. The authenticity and the unique meaning live with our parents. Sometimes you can have a general meaning, but knowing the authenticity, knowing what really happened. Okay, see that the parents has given birth to, I say, like 3 4 children, and they all died, and then the child is the fourth or the fifth, the sixth. Something really happened. Some not like these days. Like people just give names to their children anyhow. Our ancestors, they sat down, they had a very deep thought. They just like they really really. It takes a whole lot of reasoning, a whole lot of reasoning to have come up with names like that. Oda, so do you know any Yoruba names for Àbíkú? Let us know with their meanings. Let us know. Or do you have any Àbíkú names? Let us know. Let us know. Oda. And don't forget that when you don't ask for the meaning, when you ask about the meaning of these names, you won't know them. And one important thing is that as the elders, as they are going, they are going with most of these things. Most of this indigenous knowledge, most of these things, they are going with it. Ask today and know the meaning of your Yoruba name. And until I come your way again, I remain Adunola Abosedi, and I'm Yoruba. Originally so, proudly so, authentically so, unapologetically Yoruba. And until I come your way again, I wish you goodness. Ami Ashe. Bye.